Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Measure exact ingredients before you begin. 3 tablespoons gelatin, 1 cup cold water, 2 cups granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons light corn syrup, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. You will also need a candy thermometer, a stand mixer with whisk attachment, and a 9x 13-inch pan lined with parchment or lightly sprayed. For the final coating, combine 1/2 cup confectioner's sugar with 1/4 cup cornstarch. This prevents sticking. Keep a small offset spatula and a large rubber spatula nearby. Bloom the gelatin by sprinkling it over 1/2 cup cold water and let sit for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, combine 2 cups granulated sugar, the remaining 1/2 cup water, 2 tablespoons light corn syrup, and 1/4 teaspoons salt in a saucepan. Heat to 240 degrees F on a candy thermometer, the softball stage. Immediately pour the hot syrup into the whisk gelatin with the stand mixer running low. Then increase to high and whip 10-15 minutes until the mixture is glossy, thick, and roughly triples in volume. Immediately scrape the whipped marshmallow into the prepared 9x 13 pan and smooth the surface to about 1 inch thick with an offset spatula. Allow the marshmallow to set uncovered at room temperature for at least 4 hours or overnight for best texture. Dust an oiled knife or cutter with the confectioner's cornstarch mix, cut 1-inch squares, and toss each piece in the coating to prevent sticking. Store the finished marshmallows airtight at room temperature, up to 3 weeks, or freeze up to 3 months, and thaw before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.